up, everyone? It's Shanice, aka Chana Irie, aka Fine Apple Styles, and welcome back to my channel. Here is my client's before. She has loads of beautiful hair. And as you can see here, I have wet her hair down. We're getting started with some braids, y'all. As you can tell by the title, we're going to do a braided ponytail. So before shampooing her hair, I actually go in and condition her ends because she let me know it's been a while since she shampooed or detangled. So I'm just preparing myself so that way we won't experience any excess tangling during her shampoo service.
My hair is good.
I love that clip because I thought it was just so funny. She loves her shampoo service, okay? Actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the video of me shampooing her hair before for a different service. And literally that video popped off. Like people were like really liking that because I think they could relate. Like when you have someone who really shampoos your hair nicely, you really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm going in, making sure I really get in there with my fingertips, rub her scalp, and as always, before braided style, I'm going to shampoo her 3 times. So I'm going in with the Aveda Parmesan brush to gently lift the flakes. I promise you it's not rough. It's just because this is sped up like 5 times. After applying conditioner and detangling, I'm letting her deep condition under the dryer while I go ahead and separate the hair for her braided service. So here I am separating the hair. So she probably deep conditioned for about 30 minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and thoroughly rinse out that conditioner. But you see how her curls are popping? She has like low porosity hair, so I just wanted to make sure she really got as much moisture as she could in there. But yeah, you see that definition. That's how you know her hair is happy and healthy. And then once I finish washing out the conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her hair. So as you see, I've split my client's hair into sections and I'm blow drying. As I take down each section, I did quadrants, but I split those quadrants in half and then I apply foam because it helps hydrate her hair and it also helps her hair really get set into that like stretched style. So that's why I like to go in with foam and then blow dry on certain hair types. So it's time for her next haircut. She's the one who actually brought this up, which is really great because she was someone who our first appointment was a cut and she didn't really want to cut too much, but now she's one of those people who's comfortable with me and the process of getting consistent trims. And so we've just been keeping up with that and helping grow her hair out healthy. After finishing with her haircut, I'm going in and pre-sectioning for our style. I'm starting with a circular section in the center where I want the ponytail to rest on her head. So I try to put it at the apex of her head, the top flat section. And this is what my sections are looking like. I did quadrants and then the circle in the middle. So yeah, we're gonna get started on the quadrant. And in this quadrant, I'm actually going to put some individual knotless braids, and it will basically help me gauge how long each of her braids should be and about what size we are doing them. So here's what that center portion looks like. I did 6 braids in the center because she didn't want the braids too small. And then this is how it looks when I completed one quadrant of the hair. So I basically went in quadrants to keep everything symmetrical. So now I'm going to show you me braiding the other side. Front of her hair is completed. Now it's on to the back. As you can see, you probably can't tell, I have her laying down on a tray that I have a towel on. And this is just me braiding in real time. I'm showing you how I do my stitch braids. Like, you know, it's not fast per se because I want to make sure the parts are as clean as I can get them. And then I don't start adding the hair in these sections until I get towards the end, just because she has very, very full and dense hair. And I didn't want her ponytail to look bulky. That was something we both agreed on. She didn't want a bulky ponytail, but she did want the little pop of color. So I just went ahead and added the hair towards the ends. Even if we were doing the same hair color, I would have either added really, really small pieces throughout the braid, or towards the ends is where I'd start adding the hair. And then I just keep feeding it in, and now I'm just tucking her hair so that you can see the color coming forward. So you see, that's how you tuck. You have to roll that hair under. So that's what we're doing. After I finish the large stitch braid above her ear, I'm now working on the skinny braid that goes between the large braids. So I'm really trying to make sure I get a good tiny part on her hair, and I did it without adding product, but now you see me adding in my braiding gel so I can get a really clean part. So I add the gel to her part, and then I use the tip of my braiding comb to clean up the section and comb away any stray hairs. And the gel that I'm using is actually the Peruvian white braiding gel. It's really nice. It's like all natural, and it never leaves any buildup in the hair, and it doesn't turn white. So yeah, we're gonna braid. Something I thought was important to note was that I do add hair to her small braids, just so of course they'll be as long as the large braids. And have the same color effect. And here you see me on her last braid, y'all. We are almost finished, and her and I were both hype, okay? Because it was late. We started kind of late, so it's just nice to be getting through. And yes, we are finished. Now it's time to set her hair. You didn't want to do all that work for it to just get frizzy. So I'm going in with Fomalian by Aveda. I like this because it adds shine and it's hydrating. And of course doesn't create any buildup on the hair. I'm making sure I'm getting that foam in all sections of her hair. I think I like foam more than mousse. Let me know in the comments if you use mousse for finishing braid styles. And now you see me going in with the handy dandy Rapid Wrap strips and just making sure that all of it is wrapped up so that when I dry it, it will be super duper neat because this is a wedding hairstyle, okay? I'm making sure I trim the flyaways because we need to make sure we give the full professional experience. A professionally braided style has the least amount of flyaways and frizz and just looks real neat, and that's what I'm giving her here. And now it's time to dip her hair and just finish off the style. Here you have it, a simple freestyle braided ponytail. Hair is neat, parts are neat, braids are tucked, color is there. If you like this style, make sure you like this video, drop a comment to let me know, and make sure you definitely hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.